When a young woman reaches a particular age, she frequently realizes that her attraction to males has suddenly changed. She will become intrigued by an older man and may start to wonder why she is attracted to him. This is due to the fact that women mature with age. They start to understand that younger men aren't as desirable and that an older man's traits are more suited for a committed relationship. Furthermore, because younger women tend to appeal to older men more, this could be a match made in heaven for both sides. To venture outside of their comfort zone and date younger women, however, may be a little scary for some older guys. And while some older guys can feel a little out of their depth when it comes to what younger women want in a love relationship, we've put together a list of a few qualities that women want in a man to improve your chances. Following that, here are some strategies older guys can use to attract younger women. First and foremost, be genuine. Basically, being honest and upfront with younger women is being true. A younger woman expects her relationship with an older man to progress to something more serious. You might think that she is the one since you are an older man and that you are prepared to take things more seriously with her. If so, you should tell her right away and be a little more open after you get past the playing the game phase. By doing this, you can make sure that everyone is speaking the same language. On the other hand, you might just want to wait and see how things play out without even wanting something serious right away. To avoid leading her on and ultimately hurting her, you should however be direct and honest about this. Being forthright and honest from the start is important since younger women view older men to be more mature and mature men to be more attractive. Second, act maturely. Men typically mature between 10 and 12 years later than women, thus a man in his early 20s may be only as mature as someone in his teens. Although there are undoubtedly many exceptions to this generalization, it can be quite challenging to date a woman before she reaches full maturity at age 30. Since a man doesn't become fully mature till he is 40. This enormous age difference is one of the main factors in women's preference for older males. Younger guys typically haven't sorted out their life's purpose and aren't prepared for commitment. Older guys typically have their lives together and have worked hard to achieve a certain amount of prestige and stability. As one of the primary factors luring younger ladies to an older man is this. But it's imperative that he make a mature impression on her. Now that this can be demonstrated during discussions or debates, younger women will soon recognize that he is unique compared to other guys they have dated. Third, demonstrate your experience to her. You have greater life experience as an older man, both within and outside of the bedroom. So demonstrate to her your life experience, not just in the bedroom. Tell her tales of your life's experiences and all the adventures you have had. And in the bedroom demonstrate to her all the techniques you have learnt over the years so she can see why older men are so much superior. This will keep her coming back for more, and she will consider you to be far superior to any younger person she has dated. Be mysterious. Number 4. This is the usual strategy while dating women of any age. When you initially start dating a younger woman, don't reveal everything. Since they don't know much about older men, they view them as being a little mysterious. Younger women perceive older guys as intriguing because they have many stories that they have not yet heard. She will get increasingly attracted in you and want to be near you the longer you can maintain this. Fifth, try not to act like her father. Despite the common belief that younger women choose older men because they have daddy issues, this could be true or false. But it's crucial that you avoid treating her like a child. She wants to date you, so if you start acting like her father, it can seem a little odd. So, be who you are. This will guarantee a much longer lasting relationship and prevent weird developments. 5. Make sure she knows she is safe. The ability of older guys to offer is one of the key reasons women choose them while they are with you. Younger women are frequently more eager to settle down than men are, and they seek partners who can give them the lifestyle they desire, despite the fact that this may sound extremely superficial. However, they want to know that you are financially secure and that she will feel safe when she is with you if the two of you were to be in a relationship. They don't only want you for materialistic reasons. They're looking for security, and it's your responsibility as a guy to reassure them. Make sure they understand that you can give them the lifestyle they desire, but you don't have to reveal the amount of money in your bank account. Tell her how you actually feel as number 6. A younger woman wants an older man to express his feelings to her honestly and completely. The ability to do this is a sign of maturity, and it's not always something that younger men are the best at. Tell her politely if she shows up too often or for too long. Just be absolutely honest and keep the lines of communication open if you actually like her as a person. She will genuinely appreciate this and feel more connected to you as a result. Ask her how she thinks about the age gap in item number 7. It is evident that she has begun seeing an older man, but it is still important to find out if she is okay with the age gap. It would be worthwhile to ask her and check in with her, as she might be concerned that her friends and relatives would judge her. This might avoid problems in the future. Tell her how you like to conduct your life at this time as well. For instance, you could claim that now that I'm older, I prefer nights home rather than going out frequently. This entirely ends the conflicts because she knows from the start that she might occasionally attend gatherings alone. The 8th tip is to treat her as an equal. The trap of treating younger women differently can befall older males. You might assume that simply because you are older than her or that you have your life more put together, you are more mature than her. You could even bring this up with her and gently tease her about it. Since she hasn't had the same amount of time as you have to accomplish all the wonderful things in your life, she might feel that this isn't fair. Even though she might joke about it at first, she might later come to feel extremely upset by your remarks. This could even be the catalyst for the breakdown of the relationship. As a result, you must treat her equally and acknowledge that you are in slightly different stages of life. Number 9. Be understanding and compassionate. Younger women require an older man who is sympathetic and understanding. You can be a little set in your ways, but you also might know more about life. A younger woman can still be figuring things out in life. She might be switching jobs frequently, for instance, or she might be having emotional issues with her friends. Avoid making fun of her or telling her how annoying it is that she is bothering you with these small issues. Instead, pay attention to what she has to say and provide her wise counsel that she can follow if she so chooses. This will help her to truly appreciate you and see your value in her life. Recognizing when to leave if she is not interested is number 10. This might be the most crucial piece of advice for males looking to date younger women. Even while you might think a younger girl is interested in you, she could not be. Therefore, avoid coming out as desperate. You have many possibilities because you are an older man. You can lose some of the appeal you have for other ladies if you appear desperate. If she doesn't seem interested, leave. Just remember that the sea is filled with many other younger fish.